and welcome to the Financial Room. I'm your host once again, Natasha Bridgmohan. Thank you so much for joining us. I want to give a big shout out to all of the wonderful men. We will be celebrating International Men's Day soon. Thank you so much for your contribution to this amazing planet and what you do for the human race. Thank you to all fathers, brothers, sisters, entrepreneurs, employees, men who run what they do every day, which is changing lives. So thank you so much to all the beautiful men on planet Earth. And we have a beautiful man here with us today, the founder and owner of Hammer Heroes, Sajid.
I'm so glad to be back again.
Thank you so much for being here, guys. What a perfect time to talk about renovations and finding the best and correct contractor, correct?
That's right. So let's talk about hire right, hire smart. We have heard horror stories from so many people. So I want to talk about what to look for when we are hiring a contractor.
That's good. Like, it's really important because Hammer Heroes, we specialize in managing general contractors, general laborers, and project itself. And there are some really bad horror stories when clients and consumers share with us when they've hired a third-party contractor. So why don't you share some common mistakes and how to avoid these mistakes?
So I've broken down into segments. We're going to talk about two segments today. First segment is research and preparation. First is do your research. Check their online reviews, make sure they have the reviews, positive reviews, what their previous clients has to say. That's the first and foremost. And after that, ask them for referrals, ask them for their previous clients, what kind of job they did for them before. If they're shying away for not and giving you any previous referrals, that's a telltale sign. Stay away from it.
I always say, do your research, get 3 quotes, check reviews, ask for references. If possible, ask for them to go show you a project that they're actually working on at the moment. Visit their place of business, their showroom. And that's really, really important because I think it's very, very important that everyone who spends that kind of money crosses their T's and dot their I's. And what's the second one?
So a lot of people forget to check for their licensing. There's a lot of contractors out there, they're working without their licenses. Make sure they have all the licenses in place. In Ontario, they have to have WSIB coverage. If they don't have WSIB coverage and if something goes wrong, guess what? You are on the hook. So make sure the certification is there, WSIB is there. If the bonding is needed, they are fully bonded, insured. So that's the key point for segment 1.
Guys, listen, I cannot tell you, cheap is not necessarily the best way to go. Cash is not always king. It can cost you thousands of dollars in damages and time and money and effort and frustration. It is very, very important that you understand the law requires every contractor to have a WSIB license. This will prevent you from any lawsuits that will go through your insurance policy and may not even be qualified under insurance policy. If you fail to do your due diligence, your insurance claim might also be declined too as well due to you being negligent. So make sure you ask for proof of a WSIB certificate and make sure that certificate, it does not expired and it's effective during the duration of your contract, which is, I think it's key if you agree.
That is a key. Let's talk about segment 2, which is red flags and what to watch out for. So first and foremost is to lowball estimates. You see contractors come out, give you this flashy price, and you go for it, but that's a telltale sign. Stay away from those lowball estimates. You have to pay the market price.
And market price is not necessarily retail price, and that's what we specialize here at Hammer Heroes. We have special pricing, we have special contract pricing, we have special vendor pricing, and we have a great professional on-site location with a design decor center. I want you guys to pick up the phone, get your friends and family discount now. This is the guy who you want to come visit and meet our team, and I'm here also to meet with you. It's all about we renovate.
You celebrate.
Thank you, Sajid.
Thanks for having me.